Last episode, I spent £200 and 66 pence on 13 pairs of trainers, and things couldn't have started much better. Before I'd even started filming this episode, 3 pairs had already sold for £134.50, meaning I'd already made back 60% of what I originally spent. The CDG Air Max 95 sold for £80, the New Balance 480s sold for £22, and the Sambas sold for £32.50. Not a bad start at all. I've still got almost £800 left to invest, and the goal hasn't changed. Spend the full £1,000, flip every single pair for a profit, and see exactly how much money I can make using a Vinted monitor. Right now, it's still running, sending me instant alerts whenever underpriced trainers are listed. But that doesn't mean every deal is a good one. One bad purchase could wipe out the profit from several good flips. Every decision still matters. Let's see what we can find today. I need to spend £1,000. Got some Vapor Max 2s here. £12.23 from the States. Let me just check all in on them. All right, so first cop of this session is Vapor Max 2 Flyknit UK 12 OG box, and they were £15 all in. Nice. They'll go for like 35 to 45. So like these Air Forces would be good, but they're all, I don't know if that's stained or scuffed, but I'd pass on that. £25. These could go for 60 quid. They're legit. I'll be too slow because I've just used it as an example, but if I press buy, we'll see if they go through, but it makes them 30 quid all in. All right, we did get them. I don't know why it's not showing up, but here we go. Air Max 95 Hyper Crimsons for £28, okay? £29, sorry. Good condition, good size. That returns me 60 quid and I double my money. Why are the photos on this so cooked? What the so let's risk it. Let's go for those P6. I'm too slow, but the camera's finished. £20, 1906. Yeah, I'll have you. Yeah, we missed that P6. But we'll take these for 20. These will go for 50. UK 11 as well. So we've got 25 on these ones. New Balance 1906. Because I would buy them, but it's just the heel there. They're a fibre as well. These are nice, to be fair. They don't even look used. 25 quid. Oh, that's what happens when you spend too much time deliberating. You lose the opportunity. They would have been a good cop as well at 25 quid. We'll take those Sambas, mate. It looks like the OG box as well for a 10 piece. Size 9.5 for a tenner. £10 Sambas, thank you very much. Let's see if we get these Specials for a tenner. I think we got them. Pick them up, 13 quid all in. Size 7 should return 30-ish quid. Sambas, 10 squiddies. I was probably too slow, to be honest with you, but if it comes through, it comes through. We got those Sambas. That's decent. 10 off, 13 quid, 14 quid all in. Over 80% of you aren't subscribed. It's completely free and it helps the channel grow. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Size 7. You'll get 30 on them. Thank you very much. We've got some elites here. £22 all in. Take F50 Elite at 22 quid with the bag as well. All right, well, we've got those F50s. So let's pull up comps right now. So we've got F50 Elite laceless. I mean, when you look at the sole plate, you can see they're still good condition. Yeah, we don't mind that. Air Max 90s. Why are the photos so bad? We'll take them though. And then let's look at sold. I paid £23. You've got 50 quid, 40 quid, 20 quid, but that's on bids. 37. I'm going to say conservatively, I'll get 45 back on them. I don't know if we got those 90s. No, I think I missed those 90s. Because sometimes when you just take too long to like deliberate. My best offer on these. Well, that New Balance person has replied. £15 on New Balance 2002s with the box. They're literally worn one time, so we'll take them for £20 all in, and they're literally worn one time with the box. UK 8. Same with these. It's just like that suede's just going to be long to clean, but they are only £2, so they're like £5 all in. These are fake. Easiest way to tell is usually with 9060s, it's usually the lacing is quite an easy tell. That's all I could really tell off that. And then the shape of this heel, it should be a bit longer, less short. 20 quid. There's a hole there, like there. That's probably how I would put it. We'll take those New Balance 327 for 4 quid. Makes them about £7.50 all in, and we'll return about 25 quid. Yeah, that's not bad. It's a bit worn, but the uppers are good for 7 quid. We'll take that all day. I've had a couple. We've got some Pred Elites here. That rubber is going to be the issue though. Let's just ask the seller if they take a tenner. And if they take a tenner, happy days. We've got Gazelles here, brand new. They have been tried on. Can't sell that as brand new. Let's just offer the seller a fiver. There are people out there that are like, we'll take them. £12, 16 quid all in. I'm not paying 25 on these. So all we do is lowball them. I'll pay 18 on them, so we offer them 15. A lot of you are always asking me how I find deals on Vinted. Well, I use something called a Vinted monitor, which alerts me the second a crazy deal is available. And if you want to try it out for yourself, I've hidden a secret discount code in the pinned comment section down below. Does the kid come with the shoes? Or just the shoes? Yeah, we'll take some gazelle bolts. £6, £9 all in. I don't mind that. See if it goes through though. I was better slow. Yeah, we'll take that. Have they got the OG box as well for a tenner? I want these reacts as well, but I'm not paying 25. A6 1130s. You can see the holes there already. Bad colour as well. See, like, these are just going to be a ball ache to clean, like that stain there. Warn a lot sending offers. Let's just send them an offer then. How bad are they? They're not even that bad. 6.5. We'll see if they accept the offer, because if they do, that was quick. £8. Love a little negotiation, me. Get them down another squid. £7.50. Bloody hell, what a negotiation. Oh, and then we get, so that means someone's already bought them. Oh, that was pointless. Negotiated over £2.50 for someone else to buy them at full price. We'll go again, 15. Let's go with please. Maybe a little please helps. Once again, I'll pay a tenner on that because these are nice condition, to be fair. Oh. It was bare slow. Why did I take so slow? Oh, I think we are success. Great success. 18 quid, size 7. They're literally the easiest shoe to clean. They're black leather. Thank you very much. I don't want to pay £9.50. I don't want to pay more than like a £5 on them, to be honest with you. So we'll ask the seller. Did you take? Mate, that is mental. How have you put these 3 photos on a listing? Soccer Aid. Apparently he doesn't like Anna. And then some Vapor Max. What? Air Force One Floynets. Yeah, baby. Did I click it? I'm sure I clicked it. I'm sure I just copped them. Did we get them? That was a steal. £6 all in. £6. You'll get 25 for these in the summer. P6 for £8. Do we get that? We'll see if we get them. That could be another nice one. Little back-to-back thing. Oh, we're too slow. Thick. Right, I'm not gonna lie. This is actually worse than episode 1 in terms of what we haven't found, like a chicka, yeah, like a mad steal. I don't want to crash out because that wouldn't be nice for anybody. But we've bought 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 pairs so far. Air Max anti-flyness. I don't want to pay 20 quid on that. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want to pay 20 quid on that. I'm not even going to bother messaging. It's not worth my time. It's not worth their time. Ultimately, they're just going to get annoyed that I'm going to lowball them. I don't want to lowball them because I only offer £5 and they're listed at 20. That's just too disrespectful. Well, I've done the math and it is time to show you everything we bought in episode number 2. We actually spent another £200. First up, we got some Vapor Max 2 in a UK 12 with the original box. They were about 15 quid all in. Then we got another Hyper Crimson. We got a pair of these in episode 1. These were £29 all in, size 11, good size for 95s. Then we got some 1906 in navy for 25, size 11 as well, good size. Another good pair, Sambas for 15 quid all in, 9.5 with the original box. Then we got some 97s for like 8-9 quid. Then we got Special for like 13 quid. Then we got another Samba for like 14 quid. Then we got F50 Elite Laceless with the bag. And I think it also had the boot key, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it did. And these were like 21 quid. Then we got some 2002s. Honestly, these look like they've been worn one time, to be honest with you. 25 quid and OG box. Then we got these 327s for like 7 quid. We've got Gazelles for like 9 quid. We've got these TNs. And then we finished it with some Flynet Air Forces. Not the best condition, but they were like £7. So, well, 13 pairs today. Total spend was £205.95. which should return, and I've been very fair with the selling prices. I've tried to keep it on the lower end just to take, like, you know, quick flips and stuff into consideration. It should return us 465, which is about 240 quid, 260 quid profit off of all of that. So that means our total spend is £406.61, and we have £593.39 to spend. Now, if I'm going to be honest with you, it has been crap today. I think it's 34 degrees outside. England are playing this evening in about an hour's time. I think the mixture of the weather, People are probably going straight to the pub from work. People are probably outside, not inside, listing stuff. Definitely takes its toll on how much is actually available. Obviously, there was a couple pairs I did miss out on, but there wasn't too much coming out. Now, this is what happens. This is the reality of reselling, is that not every time is going to be perfect. Obviously, we saw in episode 1 that I got some dirty, filthy, smelly steals. Episode 2, not as good. Still looking nicely profitable. There's still some good stuff there. And obviously, with £406, I've bought 26 pairs. Ultimately, the total profit I should make, and this is being pretty conservative, is about 560 quid. So it's over 100% return, even if I went on super low end. But obviously, I'm aiming for more. I want more, which means there's going to have to be an episode 3. I'm sure you lot want that as well. Obviously, I'm going to try and do more of the live streams, which if you saw some of the clips in this video, I was actually live streaming on the YouTube as well, so that I can chat to you lot while I'm doing this. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, if you want part 3, it will come out in the next 7 days. If this video gets 41 likes, because 41's not a lot. More than 41 of you are going to watch this, so more than 41 of you can like it, and then we can get the next episode out. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. God bless. Peace.